Everyone, my daughter is the one who is cooking our breakfast today. Hi, Lian. What are you cooking?
Itlog.
Itlog. Marunong ka na magluto ng itlog?
Grabe ka naman.
And what else? Aside from egg?
Itlog.
Wow! Hintayin ko yan ha. Work muna, mami. Kain tayo. Tapos yung ginagawa to, I'm eating while I am working. Kasi wala na akong time. Wala akong makain ako. Habang nag-work.